In this tutorial, we'll explore how to design essential icons that are often required in graphic designing, from business cards to posters and brand identity projects. We'll be creating 4 widely used icons: email, place, phone, and globe. So, let's get started. We'll begin with the email icon. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle with dimensions of your choice, for example, 300 by 200 pixels. Use the pen tool to draw diagonal lines from the corners at 45 degrees by holding Shift key. Alternatively, you can use the line tool for precision. Increase the stroke width to around 10 to 12 pixels of all 4 lines. To remove the extra parts of the lines, first select all 4 lines, then use the Shape Builder tool. Hold down the Alt key on Windows, Option key on Mac, and click on the unwanted parts to delete them. To join the 2 upper lines, simply press Ctrl or Command+J or left-click on them and choose the Join option. Then, using the Direct Selection tool, select this top point and move the small circular handle slightly upward to create a rounded shape. Next, select all 3 lines, and to turn them into outlines, go to the Object menu, choose Path, and then click on Outline Stroke. This step ensures the design won't distort when resizing. After that, open the Pathfinder panel and select the Unite option to combine all lines into one shape. Now, select the background rectangle and make its corners slightly rounded. Finally, select the entire design. In the Pathfinder panel, click on -front to remove the strokes. Now you can apply your preferred color to it, and your email icon is now complete. Next, let's create a place or location pin. Use the star tool or polygon tool and reduce the points to form a triangle. Rotate it to make the base flat. Adjust the top anchor points using the Direct Selection tool to round the corners. Draw a circle inside the shape to represent the location indicator. Select both circle and other shape and click on -front in the Pathfinder panel to create a hollow pin, and place icon is ready. Now, let's design the phone icon. To create a phone icon, start by making a circle with dimensions of 200 by 200 pixels. Copy the circle by navigating to Edit menu and select Copy. Again, go to Edit menu and this time select Paste in Front. Then under the Transform panel, select the center right position of the reference points. Also make sure the Constrain Width and Height Proportions button is active. Resize the copied circle to 50 pixels. Again, copy the circle and then paste in front. This time, select center top position of the reference points. Again, resize the copied circle to 50 pixels. Next, select all 3 circles and rotate them to 45 degrees by holding down the Shift key. Again, copy the circle and then paste in front. Now select the center position of the reference points. This time, resize the copied circle to 150 pixels. Add a 5-sided polygon shape in the middle of the design. Then select all the shapes and use the Shape Builder tool to remove extra parts by holding down the Alt or Option key and clicking on the unwanted areas. Finally, apply any color of your choice to complete the phone icon. Finally, we'll design the globe icon, which is commonly used in business cards to display website addresses. First, go to the View menu, select Show Grid. Then again go back to the View menu and enable Snap to Grid. Next, select the Ellipse tool and draw a circle that fits 1 square tall and wide on the grid. Then, switch to the Line Segment tool and draw a horizontal line across the center of the circle, followed by a vertical line through the middle. Now, return to the ellipse tool and draw another circle above the initial circle, ensuring it is also 1 square tall and wide. Repeat this process around the first circle, placing evenly spaced circles. Using the selection tool, select one of the surrounding circles. Hold the Alt and Shift keys, then drag it outward by 1 grid notch. Repeat this step for all the circles surrounding the center circle. Once done, select all the circles. Adjust the stroke thickness to your preference. Next, deselect everything. Then adjust the positions of the surrounding circles. For that, move the top circle down by 1 notch, the bottom circle up by 1 notch with up and down arrow keys, the left circle 5 notches to the right, and the right circle 5 notches to the left, with right and left arrow keys. Now, select all the circles and switch to the Shape Builder tool. Hold the Alt key to activate the minus symbol, and click and drag to remove the unwanted segments, leaving only the shape of a globe. Now go to Object, then click on Path and select Outline Stroke. Otherwise, the stroke will damage the design when we combine the shapes, increase or decrease its size. Then, in the Pathfinder, select the Unite option to combine all the segments. Finally, you can scale the globe to your desired size, adjust the stroke thickness, and modify its color. That's how you create a globe icon in Adobe Illustrator. Once all icons are ready, you can arrange them as needed or overlay them on circular backgrounds for a cohesive look. Right-click on the icons, select Arrange, and bring them to the front to ensure they're visible. Customize colors according to your project's theme. Congratulations! You've successfully designed 4 essential icons in Adobe Illustrator. These icons can be used in various graphic design projects, and you can easily modify their colors or sizes to suit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing design tips and tricks. Thank you and see you soon.